Hi guys, so for this Snapchat Q&A, let's just jump right into it. You guys know I love these videos. This one is from Shanice Richards, and she says, "Hey goodie, OMG, I love you so much. Such an inspiration to me as a 20-year-old girl. Love you." Aww. You guys don't have to respond. You don't have to respond. Oh boo, thank you so much for the support. I'm filming now, by the way, so your question is being answered on YouTube. Alright, let me send that off to the good girl. Next we have, so what? Thanks guys, I love you. So Ray.R014 says, "You've been an inspiration from the very beginning. I appreciate how real and raw you are. I feel like you're a part of my life. It's been amazing to watch you grow. Be blessed. When will you be able to do a meet and greet in Florida, or have you ever thought of hosting a Jamaican getaway, like a 3-day mini vacay makeup seminar?" Wow, let me screenshot that before. Okay, so okay boo, I got you, Ray. I got you. Hey, I had the same problem as you with the spots. I started using alright. No offense, I just don't want to hear anything else. I'm sorry, I'm hoping not being a, but I can't be bothered. So Tia Samuda. Oh, tap to view, hold on.
Pick up yourself every time, every day, all day, 24/7. They're the biggest inspiration on YouTube. Really, never said enough snap.
I'm a lover, I see.
I know what to buy YouTube. Great, good answer. Pick up yourself. They are the best. My most favorite makeup artists on YouTube. And you're very inspirational and you keep it true, and that is what I like. You keep it true. Pick up yourself.
Oh god, I'm gonna tell you about Tia and I. Let me tell you about my Snapchat family. My Snapchat family and I, we've grown so close. Anybody snap me, I always snap back. I don't have that many followers, so I do have time to snap back, so I have to respond to my girl Tia. Good girl, I did all I snap on YouTube. See, they not got ear though till about the 20th November. But yes, you know, hi honey, thanks for the support. I'm so bad. Listen close, just threw it around my neck. So that when I'm editing, because I filmed this tutorial, so that when I'm editing, I know how to separate the clips by my durable pieces. Yeah. So next we're going to go to, wow, it's a lot. Queenie231.
Hey Lorraine, my name is Queenie. I just want to know where in Jamaica you like to go and have fun on holidays.
Ooh.
And I just want to tell you, you're a very beautiful lady inside and out. I love your personality. I love everything about you. You're just very down to earth.
Guys, when I'm looking for this, I say blow. I know it's not blowing up, but I'm not judge me though. No judgment zone. Where do I like to go and hang out? Let me snap her back. Well, I mean, I like go on holiday because when there's a holiday here in Jamaica, it's very crazy. But to just go out and have fun, definitely Ochi or Negril. Those two are my favorite places to go to. Guys, Ochi or Negril, favorite place. My favorite hotel in Jamaica is Rio. Big up Kiki, big up the Rio squad, big up Rochelle, EYEBROW, LASH. They supported me. They purchased some birth set from me and of course, you know, I had to give my girl some gifts. It's just the love that's in Ochi. I love it. I love driving through Fern Gully. I love when you reach from the gas station over here to take a little rest stop. I love Ochi. Love Ochi. I've been going there often now for weddings. By the way, you can book me at JamaicanMUA@iCloud.com. Just saying. But really, I love Ochi. So I don't really go out when there's a holiday. I stay home. But and then friends come over. I'm a friend them live. Like my friends are the lit. I love my friends. Love my friends. But yeah, I stay at home. But if I had to go somewhere on a holiday, it's definitely Ochi. So some beach in Ochi. And if I go on hotel, a hands down Rio or Jules. I went to Jules for my honeymoon. Beautiful. But Rio at the place where I have all their niceness. Them have a show every night. The staff them turn up. Oh God, Rio Ochi, dog. Okay, this is by Mandy.
Hi Larry, my question is it possible if you could do a video about setting powders, like high end and low end, especially those drugstore.
Oh.
Another question is, can you give us women of color better tips of makeup and how we apply it and stuff? Because you know, some girls got struggle.
Mandy. Hi Mandy, I don't know if I've ever seen a snap from you before. Hey boo. Well, okay, I can do that. I don't have high end and low end. I just have to show what I have, and nothing that I use gives flashback. I just have to show what I have, you guys, but that's good. I probably have to, when I'm editing this video, I have to write this down because this is really good video ideas to use for women of color. Look at you see my face and my body, same color, but look at my neck, how it's dark. Let me take this off. See my neck, how it's dark. I mean, girl, talk about the struggle. It is real. Get back. Oh, talk about my costume. Okay, so Cassandra 3 says,
hi Lyric, my question is, when you come into New York, because I would really, really love to meet you in person.
aww.
And yeah, love you girl. Hey Lyric, my question is, when you come into New York, because I would love to meet you in person, and a meet and greet would be lovely. Love you.
Oh, honey, Cassandra. Okay, honey, well, I'm not sure. Hopefully next year, but I'm not sure. I want to come to Florida next year for sure, and New York, and there's another place, but I don't know, but hopefully next year. And that meet and greet in New York, that's a really good idea. Like Kaden Smith 63 says, hello Rochester, love your channel. How you make your background for your channel, how you make you look good and stay long. Background for my channel, I don't think I understand. Hold on, let me talk to her. Boo, what in my background for my channel? Like, I don't understand. Send a screenshot or something and show me. Yeah, I don't understand, because I don't think YouTube have backgrounds. If you're talking the banner, right? The banner, right? I don't know. This is KK cutie stuff. Sorry guys.
I want to let you know that you are absolutely the best. And we're actually Sagittarius buddies. Your birthday is the 3rd and mine's the 4th. Listen, don't be any dirty, stinking red. I'll tell you anything. Because you're up there and they're way down there.
This girl went straight back to, oh listen people, don't make any dirty stinking. Oh my god, what's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Did it say Kaden? Is that no? What did I just listen to? Was it Michaela 7? Oh, I forgot. Is it with Snap? No, KK cute stuff. That's it. Boo, thank you so much, honey. You're actually on YouTube right now. This will be up probably 20-something of November because I'm filming ahead of time. But thanks for the support, honey. And your patwa. Patwa tub. Okay. So this one is by Althea Maitland. It says, good morning, Mrs. Rochester. Oh, it's Mrs. Henry. Lyric Rochester is just like my name on social media, but my birth name is Simone Christie. Got married, Simone Henry. Yes, baby. But good evening, Mrs. Rochester. Whenever I apply my lipstick, it only goes halfway inside of my lips that are left naked. It doesn't have that flawless finish like yours does. What do you suggest that I do? P.S. I love your work. Okay. I keep on taking pictures. Damn it. Don't take no picture now. I'm drinking AI. Alright, honey. It's like me now right here. There's like a barrier of your lips for most women of color. Right here. So the lipstick goes right up on here where you say mayonnaise. See that? Hold on, I got this in another snap so that I make it clear for her. Most women of color, we have that barrier, that lip barrier, because the lips are so big, thick, juicy, sweet, like so that's our lips, right? So we have that, I like to call it a barrier. So your lipstick don't pass there. You know, some women of color tend to go past the barrier and you know, make the lips look bigger and fuller. I'm not judging, I just don't understand. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. But yeah, so keep it within the bar. And if you notice, I most times don't go all the way up with my lip products. And somebody say, oh, you want lips to look smaller? No, it's just what I prefer. It's just a preference and it's easier to blend. Hold on. and when you go up right here or just a little bit below it, it's either when you do this to blend, it will blend come all the way up. So I hope that helped, honey. I hope that helped. Sometimes for most people, they learn better when they see. So again, when I'm editing this, you have to write this down, you know, how to apply lipstick and stuff, so that you know, right? I don't know, right? Okay, yes, okay, whatever. Okay, so this one is by Kayla 21 Tate. Oh, tap to view. Why do you keep sliding across? Kayla.
Where in Jamaica you from though? Because my sister wanna know.
You see that I look like? She wants to know. Well, wait, Kayla. I am from Portmore, Jamaica. I have to do that so I don't give away like exactly where I'm from, because I had this one person like pass, like I was sweeping out outside and I just heard, "Hey, Lyric," and I turned and she was like, and I was like, "Hey, hey girl, hey." I fully just went inside, bro. I got so scared, fully went inside. Yeah, so Shades by Chantel says, "Hi Lyric, I'm an up-and-coming makeup artist myself. Do you have any tips or advances?" Okay, my number one tip for up-and-coming makeup artists is buy light, medium, dark, fake it. Don't buy everything together. So buy in between colors, so you save more money and you get a wider range. So instead of buying NC 45, 40, 40, 40, 40, 50, you know, you buy in between colors or every other 2 colors or every other 3 colors, so you can mix and match. All right, so that's what I would say to any up-and-coming makeup artist. And Miracles, oh gosh, my baby mother. Oh, I love me some Miracles. Love me some Miracles. Okay, so Homemade by Lyric. When I was in beauty school, the Face Place, they gave us a project to do like a final year project, like the project, you know, can I get project in school? We got one of those. And I created a magazine, you know, of products to use, sanitization tips, different looks and stuff, and I called the magazine Homemade by Lyric. And Pomi means pigments of my imagination, and I thought of pigments because of the colors of my imagination, meaning it's whatever I think about that's coming to life. So it's pigments of my imagination. So that's where it came from. Lyric Rochester International actually came from my former partner Dana. She actually came up with the international part of it, and that's for my company that we teach. That's what it's registered for, to teach and to educate and to certify. That's the registration that we have. So Lyric Rochester, of course, is my name, but the international, Dana actually come up with the international aspect of it. So that's how that goes. I'm gonna tell her some answer on YouTube because I will leave. Would I just answer on YouTube a while ago? See that? Bam! Because I will leave for something that I can explain some answer on YouTube, but it not get here to about 20-something November. Alright, so we have Bella DJ. If I'm having any other classes other than the Caribbean next year, well, honestly, I was talking to somebody about coming to the Bahamas, I think, or was it Barbados? I think it was Bahamas, I think, but I'm not sure. So hopefully, yeah, we're still trying to work it out. Let me tell you something. Planning classes, beauty seminars, it is 1, extremely expensive, and 2, very time consuming. It takes up half a time, and the back and forth is annoying. Dose of Hannah.
So cool, and oh my god, that means so much to me that you think that about me.
Oh, I was talking to her, so she's responding to me.
You made my day.
Oh,
I just got back from school.
she's talking to me.
It's really cold here, but I need to meet you now.
I need to meet you.
Hopefully, I'm going to Jamaica soon. There's no plan on going, but if I ever do, I need to see. It's really cool because like I didn't say anything, like you don't even know much about me, but it's cool that you think that about me. Yeah, because like I know that somebody to trust.
I'm sorry, all over sorry.
Crazy, I'm like honest, and you know, like I'm a good person. So it's cool. I wish I could see your baby's face. I can't. But
I'm going to listen to her. Okay guys, I just responded to Hannah. Cause like that's like there are a couple people on here that when I see their snap I get really excited. Lavanya is one of them, Hannah, Michelle, MUA, and Tia Samuda. It's like oh my god, my girls. Okay, so Kimoy Crooks.
Hey Lyric, since you're a singer as well, I want to know who's your favorite gospel artist right now.
Oh my god. Okay, so Kimoy, let me tell you, I call him the prophet, but his name is Prodigal Son. That's just one of my favorite gospel artists. Kevin Downswell, Lifer. Oh my god. Okay, so let me tell you guys. So Prodigal Son, of course, the prophet himself, nigga. Kevin Downswell. Let me tell you, I'm like a literal fan of Kevin Downswell. Like I see him and I fan girl out like, oh my god, hi. And I call him Mr. Downswell. I don't call him Kevin Team Face because that's rude. You know, man, I said, bro, I just think. And Life, of course, my Chargy, DAJ, my all-time nigga, Dunamis. What? Dunamis Reigns. Ron, give me a Dunamis song, quick. Oh, tell them we come again. Principalities of evil, blood cleanse up, turn up, slap way, Ghana road. Who else? Of course, Omari, my nigga. I used to do backgrounds for Omari for years. Jehovah guide me and protect me from my enemies. I have one next one, righteous. Let me see the righteous who stand me up. And let me see the oh Jesus, God, you start me up, Kimai. Who else? I can't think of any girl. That's so sad. One girl. Her name is Lyric. Girl, listen. She have a song called My Heart, and it's the exact same thing that she's singing my life. Like my life. Like, oh my god, she's singing my life. But anyway, yeah, so those are they. We're almost done. Then we have Juicy Fruit.
Winnies with no evil on the day. Anyway, I just wanted to say that you're inspirational and I love your videos and your son is so handsome.
Juicy Fruit. Thank you so much, boo. I'm actually filming now. So your question is being answered on YouTube. So this will be probably the 20-something of November because I have a lot of Q&As. Okay, so I have, when I Snapchatting, like my boob area, it just looks so awkward because they're so huge, you know. They look awkward. They look just like big and ugh. Okay, fun fact. Before I got pregnant and had boobs, nobody knows. If I'm on Periscope, you know this, but I wanted like a boob job, like breast augmentation. I wanted one, but then of course it's expensive as hell, so I wasn't going to get it. But you know, something that you wanted, like, oh man, I wish, you know. But yeah, so when I got Jonathan and like my boobs grew, I'm like, ew, no, Lord, it's too big. It annoys me. I don't know how you have to do with big boobs, but the hell to the no. Boss Lady Kia.
Hey Lyric, when you coming to the Bahamas to do a meet and greet? We over here, we waiting on you. I love you so much. Keep your head up, honey. I love what you're doing.
Oh my god. Boss. Okay, so as I said before, I either should be having classes over there or something to the Bahamas or Barbados. It's a B name, I'm not sure. But hopefully next year, hopefully. I got fans in the Bahamas. Y'all ain't tell me this. I know. Ready for my pics says.
Hey Lyric, my question to you is, what is the best part of being married? And I love you and continue the good work.
Okay, so as you know, there's a lot of good things about being married, but the best part is to just constantly have someone, for a woman that is, of course, that you can always talk to and someone that understands you. Finding someone who understands me, Simone Henry, is very difficult. very difficult. I'm highly emotional. I tend to be irrational and very impulsive. So finding someone that understands and knows you, for me, that's rare. That's rare. And I have friends, few friends who know me and understand me. Few. So to find someone like that, and then my sleep beside it, one of the best. Lavania, my student.
Anyways, what more I want to ask you is, right? How and this Snapchat now work? How do I get my face not to be so shiny? Look how gorgeous my makeup is. And then I'm gonna have to wipe.
Okay, so okay, boo. Let me. Okay, honey, so an age-old trick is fill with milk of magnesia, apply it, rinse your face, pat dry, apply makeup, or Becca's matte primer. Yeah. So any mattifying primer will do. I've never used the Becca matte primer, but I've seen it in action here on YouTube, and it's the bomb.com. Hey love, I previously asked if PayPal is the only way you receive money, but you never got back to me. PayPal's only receive money? Receive money for what? Oh, I be lazy. I'm sorry, honey, I'm sorry. Receive money for what? For the brushes? If so, we accept major credit cards, but it's through PayPal. But for what? For what? For makeup?
Sorry, honey,
I don't understand. Cause you know, like, cause I do makeup too, like as a profession. So yeah, I accept PayPal, but I accept other medium of payment. So I'm not sure which one you're talking. So Kayla2419 says, hey, just watched your vlog and I wanted to say you are a beautiful person and I just love your spirit. Your blessings will be bountiful because you are. Oh, she called me bountiful. That means I'm a big. Thank you so much, honey. I'm filming. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm coming to that manala hungry box. My daughter looking for 6. Jordan Walker says, hi Lyric, how old is your handsome baby? Oh, it knows really kind of one mama spend it now to work, but he's just 5 months. That's my boo. Flawless Dolly says, ooh, tap to view. So this is going to be a very long Snapchat Q&A.
Girl, hey, what's up? My question is, what inspired you to start your YouTube channel? Because I just started my channel and you're my inspiration, so.
Aww. Well, honestly, Julia Graff here on YouTube actually inspired me, and if I get to do a collab with her, that would be like, I can't give up. Julia Graff on YouTube, her name back then was Mischievous. I love her so much. It's unreal. Like, I don't know. But you, Mischievous, my fave. Oh, that's me. That's my channel thingy. Oh my god. My Snapchatters are the best. Oh, Michelle. Touching moment.
Guys, look at this. My daughter in the playpen with my granddaughter.
Okay, so Michelle and I will have a relationship. Ooh, that's my babe. Do you see her face? Snatched. We have a relationship. We always Snapchat each other, so forgive us. Forgive us. Forgive us. Aww. Okay, so Susie Kabuzi says, I have no question. Just want to tell you you're beautiful. Okay, bye-bye now. I swear you guys are the best. I love you so much. Thank you for saying that. And I'm now filming. I love Periscope and Snapchat. Jeez, man. Can't let go from Periscope, girls, you know. So Neeks617 says,
Yes, Lyric. This is Naik from Boston. And I just want to know, how do you keep your spirit so bubbly and always in a good mood? Like, I like that about.
first of all, let me just say, wait, what's her name? Susie Kabuzi? That's her? I just played her. Was it Susie Kabuzi? I hope it was Susie Kabuzi. No, it was Neek. There we go. Well, honestly, Neek, I'm not always like this. I'm highly emotional, but what keeps me grounded is just remembering good times and remembering who I am in Christ. My family also gets me back whenever I go to a dark place. My husband gets me back when I go to a dark place, and of course, after having Jonathan, I'm rarely depressed because I have him. He's a joy to have. He's just a joy. Hold on, Rochelle_Carty says,
Hi Lyric, I don't want to show my face on the Snapchat right now, but I just want to ask, have you ever had to deal with discouragement from your peers, like your friends, family, etc.?
bruh, Rochelle, honey, yes, I've had people slander my name on social media. I've had people tell my husband's lies. Yes, I've had people call people to tell lies. I've had people email people using my name filled with lies. I've had people forge fake emails to send people to just to lie. I've had friendships that were no longer friends, and it's because of somebody who just lies. I'm not saying I'm like the best person or, you know, meeting up, but I'm not a vindictive person. I'm really not. And the lies that are being said about me, it's just crazy. Hey Lyric, it's Rashid. I'm not sure if you remember me. That's all she said, and I'm not sure if I do, boo. Not sure if I do. So this is Virgo Chick Tessie. Oh, tapped it for you.
What do you use on your brows?
Oh, hair by Tess. Oh, she's a Jamaican hairdresser, hair by Tess _ on Instagram. I use foundation on my brows. Hey boo, I use foundation on my brows actually. I use Rich Caramel from Black Opal on my brows, and the brown eyeliner was still a shop on wholesale. It says I'm not bad, I'm just drawn this way. Oh, from Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Yes. Did I make it? So Joy Ojehume says,
I love you. Oh my gosh, I love your channel, both channels, so much. Like, I'm literally obsessed. I think. So, the actual question, I wanted to ask you, like, how do you keep your spiritual life growing? Like, how do you improve it? Like, sometimes.
okay, so Joy, I think I remember your name. You ordered some of my brushes. I remember your name. How do I keep my spirits up and intact? Why? It's I gonna have to snap her back. Let me tell you. And oh, that's it, by the way. Let me just say this. Jonathan needs me. Well, let me just say this before I go. You see, us being depressed and us being happy, most times is a choice. No, all the time it's a choice. Sometimes some things happen and you can't help it but get depressed or get happy, but it's still a choice. You feel me? And as I say, my support system is mad crazy. My backbone, first of all, my ultimate backbone is Jesus Christ. That's my Lord and my Savior. And I stop saying it when I like it, bite it. But my friends and my family members, my mother, my brother, my grandmother, all are Christians, all are praying people. My brother, prayer warrior in the spirit. My grandmother, my mother, prayer warrior in the spirit. My mother will wail. Pass him, Ron. Pass him. My mother will wail. My mother will wail in the spirit. Wail in the spirit. It's just my support system. It's just my support system, to be honest with you. Just my support system. That's it for my Snapchat Q&A. Love these videos, as you know. Thank you for those of you who have Snapchatted me. Completely grateful for each and every one of you. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.